Hi, I'm Riley Teeter, and our mission is to help you feel better. And that means ensuring the best experience from the moment you get it home. So to that end, we've designed a table that's easy to put together and will get you on the product as soon as possible. All of our inversion tables come roughly 85% pre-assembled. The three primary components, the bed, frame, and ankle lock system, arrive already put together for you. If you're getting the LX9, you will have to assemble the boarding platform. Open the box and you'll see helpful tips to get started, plus a Start Here packet which includes helpful guides. Refer to the printed instructions, access the Get Started video, or even download the free Built app, a 3D interactive guide that makes assembly even easier. And once you're ready to invert, the Getting Started video will show you how. Plus, we invite you to check out our video library on our website for more tips, stretches, and exercises to help you get the most out of your teeter. As always, our US-based product experts are here to help if you need it via phone, email, or even online chat. Thanks for watching, and remember, at Teeter, we've got your back.